Okay, here's another problem that's asking you about the molar mass of an ideal gas, this time cyclopropane. And before in another problem, I showed you how you could just solve it algebraically all in one go. Let's just take a slightly different approach this time, but still we're going to say that molar mass is grams over mole. And remember, if I take mole and replace it with the symbol that we use in the ideal gas law, then things kind of work out a little, then it relates a little bit better for us. We can visualize a little more because the ideal gas law will have that symbol in it. Now, if I want to know the molar mass, then I need to take the mass, and I'm given the mass 1.562 grams, and I need to divide it by some number of moles. Problem now I need to figure out that number of moles, and I'm going to use the ideal gas law to do that. So I get N PV equals nRT, solve it for N, and I get N equals PV over RT. Okay, and so instead of just solving for the molar mass all in one go, I'm going to solve for the number of moles separately. I think I get everything in the correct units except for temperature. So let's go ahead and convert that temperature to Kelvin by adding 273 to 50. I get 323.15 Kelvin. Okay, let's put it all together then for the number of moles. There's my atmospheres for pressure. Let's move that over, get some space. There's my volume that was already in liters. Saving the gas constant for the end, let me put in my temperature, 323.15 K in the denominator. And now let's work on this gas constant, 0.08206 liters times atmospheres over moles times Kelvin. I'm going to put those back up in the numerator because 1 over X equals X. And so let's go ahead and crunch this into my calculator. I get the number of moles is 0.0371. Okay, now let's take this equation from above and let's go ahead and put in that number of moles that we calculated before. So take that 0.0371, put it in the denominator, and crunch this into our calculator. And I get 42.1 grams per mole. That's the final answer. Either way you do it, it's fine. It's right. I want to show you two ways so you know you can pick a way that's comfortable for you. Either way, you're going to get the right answer. Okay, that's it.